So let me just show you some artifacts. These are the diagrams that I promised that it's going to come out. So I basically
Huh. What did you ask together? That's great.
I ask it to say, well, I need to do a LinkedIn event. I need to do a visual, which is kind of like the variation of what you saw on Canva. And I basically have this, questions back and forth. And they say, well, this is a circle. I want some continuous improvement. And and then I'm asking it to create a visual for me. And
Hmm.
it's doing that. And so what I was about to do is finish the interactive questioning and ask it, okay, this is good. Let me see if I can retrieve that. Okay. And no, it's here. So is it going to win you a aesthetic design award of the year? I don't know, but it does save you so much time. So all you have to do is just save this, download this file, and put it into Canva and PowerPoint and Google Slides, whatever is your weapon of choice. And the next artifact that I was about to make is that business canvas,
Hmm.
right? It's going to be, again, continue to ask me those questions, go back and forth and dance a couple times, and then it's going to give me the business canvas. And for those who haven't seen it, it's basically is a grid with a couple components.
Ooh.
But all you have to do is just say, after you finish the interactive questioning, make me insert whatever graph or make me whatever infographics. And it retains the context, it retains the answers, it remembers what you guys been talking about, and it's going to make the visual for you. And again, I'm not pushing for OpenAI or anybody, but I'm just saying that for what it is today to make visuals, it is probably the best tool right now is the using Claude.